kids. Today I'm going to show you a lot of many zoo animals. Here you can see all these animals. So now they are going to hide somewhere inside of this green grass. So let's see what is coming. First one, yeah, something white color and black lines. Can you recognize what is this? Yes, it's zebra. It's zebra. So you see black lines and white colors. Feet also black and mouth also black. Nice, beautiful animal. So let's have a look. The next zoo animal is coming from this beautiful nice grass. Oh, yours line, the king of forest, very strong. All animals are afraid from this because he is a king. He's a king, strong animal. Yes, you see long hairs. He's going back somewhere inside the green grass. So let's have a look on the next animal which is coming from this green grass. Can you see? Yes, I can see at least what it is. It's elephant. It's elephant. A long trunk. Yeah? You see, this is also very strong and this is almost present in every zoo. So don't forget to see when you go to some zoo. It's really good animal. Sometimes you can sit on that. Yeah, so let's have a look on the next animal which is coming from green grass. It's beautiful sunny day and nice green grass here. It's reindeer, I think, longhorns, you see? Yeah, longhorns. Yeah, here you have a close look on this. This also runs very fast. Not as that of tiger, but this runs really fast. Yeah, it's going back. We want to have a look. Next animal. Let's see what we have next. Yeah, can you see that? This is cheetah. Yep. Yeah, cheetah. Yeah. This animal runs very fast. Almost fast than any animal of the forest, of the zoo. Very fast. Yes, it runs very fast. It's going back. And should be another animal hiding somewhere. And that should come soon. You see grass is, shaking a little bit. So it means some animal is coming soon. Yeah, that's hiding somewhere. Oh yes, someone is climbing. It climbed on the tree. So can you see? It's monkey, black monkey. Yeah, he can run from one tree to another tree. It's like gorilla, black color. So he can run from one tree to another tree. He's very naughty animal. Yeah, he's very naughty. He's going back. So let's have a look on the coming animal. Yeah. Let's see. He seems to be tiger. Yes, it is tiger. Yep. There you see. Yeah. It's tiger with open mouth. Let's have a close look. Yes. Beautiful lines on this tiger. Yeah. Okay. So you will also see in almost every zoo when you go to visit every zoo you have all these animals. So next, what we have next? Oh, next is hippo. White color hippo. normally it's not white, but today you see white color hippo. So let's see what we have next. So we have next what is rhino. Yes. Yeah. This also present in all. No. Not in all. It's going back. Yeah. Okay. What next? There's another animal coming. Yes, giraffe. Yeah, giraffe here. Yes, it is white color, big legs. Yeah. Oh, don't fall down. So this is also my good animal to see, giraffe. So let's see what we have next. Oh, grass is trembling, so there's something big coming, and that's here. You see, yeah, it is big one, big animal. Now you don't have this animal in zoo anymore. Yeah, it's dinosaur. Oh, big dinosaur. You see white teeth of this dino? And open eyes. Oh, he's catching, you see what? He's catching deer, I think. He's eating that. Oh my god, you see he is eating that deer. Yeah, he's going back now. He is going to eat that somewhere else. So, yeah. He came back again. He ate that so fast. Oh, he has eaten that. Now there's a lion. Big lion now. He will fight with you, Dino. Little Dino, big Dino. Oh, fight between these two. Oh, lion is catching. Oh, big fight. Big fight between these two animals. Oh, let's see. Lion is holding him up. Lion is also very powerful. Oh, he put down the dino. Yes, he put down dino. Yeah, dinosaur is a little bit tired now, but still, I think he can fight. Oh, monkey is coming on his head. No, monkey, don't come, he will eat you. But monkey, don't afraid. He know that he can run. He can run. Oh, he ran back. And here, you have another animal. What is this? Oh, you have another animal. I think it's giraffe. So now, dinosaur is fighting with that giraffe, and now, oh yeah, he's fighting. Oh my god. Oh, he put up oh my god, giraffe. So he's eating that giraffe also. Oh my god. He's eating. Yeah. He's holding, he have eaten that, and now he still want to fight with more animals. He's looking if someone, now zebra is coming, so zebra want to fight, yeah, here it is. Oh yeah, I think dinosaur is now quite tired because he already fight with many animals. But still, you can see he's holding zebra. He's holding zebra up and he's going to take him away. Yes, so you have seen that today.